Welcome to our Week 2 lab for Bio 178. This week in lab, we are focusing on a new additional way that we're going to analyze data this semester. So last week, we got you set up and familiar with R and RStudio. There's one other platform we're going to use to analyze data this semester, and that's called DNA Subway. And DNA Subway is really useful and exciting for our class because what it does is it allows you as undergraduate students to analyze high throughput sequencing data. So in the lecture module just before this Week 2 lab module, and before, we've introduced high throughput sequencing data, and I've talked about how useful it is and how really that's the direction that the molecular ecology field is going, and many studies now are using high throughput sequencing data. So it'll be really useful for you all to learn how to do that type of analysis. It'll help you build your skill set, and you can use that on your resume, for instance, when you apply for jobs. And so what we're focusing on this week is learning how to set up your account in DNA Subway and how to do the first couple steps of high throughput sequencing analysis. The work that we're starting this week is going to be spread across 2 different labs. So the particular analysis we're doing has several different steps, and so it'll take a little while. So we're starting with the first couple steps this week, and we'll continue with it next week. But really, this is really exciting because we're starting to really get some hands-on experience with high throughput sequencing data, and we're using a data set that's been generously shared with us from some professors at James Madison University using a really cool study design where they actually have taken samples from male and female garter snakes, and they are trying to figure out how the bacterial communities of those 2 different types of garter snakes, male and female, differ. So I think this lab is really exciting. It's like I said, chance for you to get some hands-on experience with high throughput sequencing data, and I hope you feel the same way. As always, as you're going through the lab, if you get stuck or have questions, please reach out to me and I will be happy to help you out.